Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Trying to figure out how to get your doorbell camera disconnected from the wall, like physically removed like this right here. Here's the trick. At the bottom right here, see this little pinhole? So you need to go down underneath with something small like a paper clip or this little tool right here, which I believe is made for like a SIMS card on a phone, something like that. And what you need to do is go under and stick this up through this tiny hole. Can you see where it is going up in here? When you push up on this, it will push in this little tab right here, and that's what releases it. Here, so let me reconnect it. So to reconnect it, you just kind of push up, locks in, push in the bottom. Here it snap, there we go. Now I'll just come in from the bottom, find that little hole, push it in there, and voila, pops right off. There you go, my friends. Again, use a paper clip if you can't find that little tool I had. The paper clip works just fine. Hey friends, I hope today's video helped you out. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.